Here in this video we're going to take a look at derivative of the exponential functions, and the rule is d du of e to the u is equal to e to the u times the derivative of u, which means that we're going to rewrite the e and whatever the exponent is and then multiply it by the derivative of the exponent. In your textbook you'll often see d dx of e to the x is equal to e to the x. And this is because the derivative of x is 1, so it's 1 times e to the x. But you want to be careful not to think that e to anything is just the rewrite. So we'll see an example of that in this first one. We have f of x is equal to e to the 6x. And f prime of x then is equal to the rewrite times d dx of 6x, which is equal to the derivative of 6x, or d dx of 6x, is equal to 6. So we have 6 e to the 6x. So it's important not to forget to take the derivative of the exponent. Here in this next one, we have f of x is equal to e to the 3x squared plus 7x. So f prime of x is equal to the rewrite e to the 3x squared plus 7x times the derivative of the exponent, which is 6x plus 7. And remember, all the other rules stay the same. We may have to use the exponential rule within using other rules. So the first example I have of that is f of x is equal to e to the 3x plus 7x divided by e to the negative 3x plus 3. And here we have to use the quotient rule. But within the quotient rule, we're going to need to use the exponential rule a couple of times. So we have f prime of x is equal to g of x, e to the negative 3x plus 3, times the derivative of f of x, which is 3 e to the 3x plus 7, minus f of x, or e to the 3x plus 7x, times the derivative of the denominator, which is negative 3 e to the negative 3x plus 0. Now here, when we had e to the negative 3x and we took the derivative, remember it's the rewrite, so it was e to the negative 3x and then times the derivative of the exponent, and the derivative of negative 3x is negative 3, so that's where this negative 3 came from, all divided by the denominator squared, e to the negative 3x plus 3, all squared. Here in this next example, we have the chain rule, and we're also going to need to use the exponential rule. So f prime of x is equal to 3 times the inside of the parentheses, 4x plus x squared, subtract 1 from the exponent, times the derivative of the inside, which is 4 e to the 4x plus 2x.